February 2021, Tesla announced that they had invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and payments in Bitcoin shall be accepted. This skyrocketed the price of Bitcoin. It increased by more than 16% that day. That's very high growth rate even for Bitcoin, an asset that is said to be highly volatile. But later, Tesla sold 10% of its holdings. The world got a minor shock. Many speculations were made. We also made a video on that. Do check it. Link is in the description and in the pinned comment. But the real shock came when Tesla withdrew its decision to accept payments in Bitcoin on 12th May 2021, wiping out 12% of value of Bitcoin. They said it was due to environmental issue and Bitcoin mining requires a lot of energy that mostly comes from non-renewable sources. In this video, we are going to know what are the reasons behind Tesla withdrawing its decision to accept payments in Bitcoin, data that backs their claim, and if Tesla has to look away from Bitcoin, what are its options? So, let's get started. Bitcoin, bad for environment. They are correct in this argument. Bitcoin consumes over 1100 kWh of electricity per transaction and would have been the 33rd most energy consuming nations, narrowly beating the Netherlands. With 1100 kWh of electricity, Tesla Model X can go for 3000 km and a little bit further, despite it having the lowest miles per gallon equivalent value among all Tesla models. If we go by carbon footprints, one transaction produces over 500 kgs of carbon footprint and 110 grams of electronic waste. When comparing to other means of transaction, it is too high. Visa requires more than 750,000 transactions to match Bitcoin in electrical energy consumption and over 1 million in carbon footprint. Whereas to produce gold of same value as that of Bitcoin, we need just 13% of energy. Top 4 Bitcoin producers of the world: China, US, Russia and Kazakhstan. They contribute for the production of more than 85% of the Bitcoins in the world. That is, out of every new 7 Bitcoin mined, 6 are from either of this country. All the countries in the list rely usually on non-renewable sources for the production of electricity in their country. Now, if Bitcoin has to face a hard time making its comeback, what are its alternatives? As a cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has too many alternatives. There are more than 4,000 cryptocurrencies in the world, but all of them are not able to replace Bitcoins. Initially, they should pass the environmental impact test, that is, per transaction should consume more than 1% of electricity consumed by Bitcoin, and this also should have a significant net worth. Keeping this in mind, we have selected 4 of them. Don't forget to watch the video till last. One of these 4 with its feature could be the next big thing. Let's start the list. Before showing you the list, let us make it clear that we have not invested in any cryptocurrencies, and this list came through intense research. Starting of the list, Musk's favorite baby, Dogecoin.
And I'm excited for my Mother's Day gift. I just hope it's not Dogecoin.
It is.
It was created by IBM software engineer Billy Marcus and Adobe software engineer Jackson Palmer as a joke. Talking about the environmental impact, a transaction of Dogecoin requires 0.12 kilowatt hour of energy compared to 1100 kilowatt hour of Bitcoin. It also has a market valuation of $65 billion, making it big enough to alter its valuation by a handful of organizations. But it does have a small downside. Dogecoin started with a supply limit of 100 billion coins. By mid-2015, the 100 billionth Dogecoin had been mined, with an additional 5 billions put into circulation every year thereafter. there is no theoretical supply limit at this rate. Nonetheless, the inflation rate improves over time, starting at 5% in 2015 to less than 4% by 2019, 3% by 2027, and 2% by 2035. The inflation rate. The inflation rate is the percent increase or decrease in prices during a specific period, usually a month or a year. The percentage tells you how quickly the prices rose during that period. For example, if the inflation rate for a gallon of gas is 2% per year, the gas prices will be 2% higher next year. If the price of gas is $100 per gallon, next year it is going to be $102 per gallon. Another year, $104.04 per gallon, and so on. Second on the list is Ripple. Ripple was conceived by Jed McCaleb and built by Arthur Brito and David Squat, who then approached Ryan Fugger. Fugger had developed a system called OpenCoin, which would transform into Ripple. The company also created its forms of digital currency, referred to as XRP, to allow financial institutions to transfer money with negligible fees and wait time. A Bitcoin requires an average of 15 minutes to confirm its transactions, whereas for Ripple, it is near instantaneous. This is the main feature of Ripple that separates it from any other Bitcoin. It also consumes less than 0.01 kilowatt hour of energy for every transaction, which is one of the smallest among cryptocurrencies. With a valuation of over $67 billion, Ripple can also flaunt that its prices are quite hard to manipulate by just a person or a company. Third in our list is ADA, popularly called as Cardano. ADA was founded in 2015 by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson. The development of the project is overseen and supervised by the Cardano Foundation, based in Zug, Switzerland. The platform began development in 2015 and was launched in 2017 by Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum and BitShares. Hoskinson left Ethereum after a dispute with co-founder Vitalik Buterin. The best feature of this Bitcoin is it uses proof of stake rather than proof of work. The way that proof of work system works is that your mining system solves difficult math problem, thus participating in the mining process. When a block is mined, the proof of work system sees your contribution and you are awarded for their work. You receive a certain amount of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the biggest example of cryptocurrency using the proof of work system, and the process is called Bitcoin mining. In the POS system, the coin holder generates new blocks and verifies the payouts or transactions. Anyone holding a coin of that cryptocurrency, in this case Cardano or ADA, can become the leader of this process. Since no mining is done here, energy consumption is quite low. It also has a large enough market capitalization of over $70 billion, and the supply is also limited to 45 billion, out of which more than 31 billion is already mined. The largest cryptocurrency on our list, and probably the best we could found, is Nano. The development of Nano began in 2014 by Colin Lemahieu under its original name, Ripblocks. Nano was launched in October 2015. On 31st January 2018, Ripblocks rebranded to Nano. It is said to be the most environmentally friendly cryptocurrency. It is said that the global transaction load of energy can be produced by a single 3 megawatt wind turbine. These are brilliant features, but they do have a downside. The current market valuation of Nano is not so high. It is around 1.4 billion US dollars. Tesla alone bought $1.5 billion of Bitcoin in February. It may not be a great issue as its popularity rises, so sell its value. Nonetheless, it has a fixed market supply, a great concern for the environment, and it could be the new king of the crypto world. It does have the potential. Thanks for watching.